Okay.
Hey everyone, 065 here, and I haven't done an unboxing in a very long time, so we're doing one today. This comes from a friend Taylor. He's a YouTuber. I'm trying to remember his YouTuber channel. I think it was like Animatronic and Robot Collector, I think it is. I can't remember the name. If I don't have it right, I am sorry. But yes, this came from it. We did a trade. In this trade contains 3 robots. All 3 I do not have, which is kind of surprising because we have a lot. But yeah, its coloration is in 1 model we don't have. But yeah, what I traded was a Robo Panda cartridge number 2, I believe, or number 2, number 1. I can't remember. 40s. So.
And what he got in return was a microwave oven.
I got a microwave oven because we don't have one. We do have one. But yes, we got a brand new microwave oven for my birthday. Yes, it was my birthday today. For anyone who knows. Well, for people who don't know, I'm 23, so it's like, yay! Huge props to my girlfriend, Nintendo 110, for being a camera girl.
Yep.
Because my phone's memory's like poop right now.
Your phone sucks, Kev.
Okay. Alright, first one of the box. What's in here? Ah, yes. The Android Disc Shear Robot. This is a color variation we do not have. We have the other 2 colors. This is one we don't have, and there's one more. Another color variation we don't have yet, but then we'll get at a very future point, but sweet. Thank you. I think he has bears, man. Yep, no bears. Alright. Next up, we have Broken V2 shell.
Awesome.
And here we have another one. This is
RoboKid?
This is Mini Robo Wisdom Jr.
Oh, whoops.
Oh, this one was... Okay, yeah, this is definitely what we don't have, because this one actually has gripping arms, which is really interesting. And the board you had mentioned is broken. Oh, it's broken now. Where's the other half of it?
I know you can fix it somehow if you can find that other piece.
I think... Hold on, this is part of the board. I think the other half is in there then.
Yep, we'll find it.
This is broken in half. Holy crap. Okay, well, there's that portion. I don't know if the other portion inside of it, but yes, he got this second-handed from his local thrift shop, and it never worked, and he never messed with it. But you know what? It's our turn to see if we can get this up and running. So we have the real Junior. The real Junior. Yeah, Robo-Sapien Junior. We have the real one. We have Robo-Actor Junior. And then now we have Mini Robo-Wisdom Junior. As this one is actually called Baby Robo-Wisdom. So this is interesting. Awesome, thank you. And then last but not least, we have this broken V2 back shell, which has a speaker, but then again. Wait. This one painted over? That is weird. It's yellowed, but it's white. I think it was painted over. That looks far more different than how the other V2s here are yellow. Oh, okay then. So we got that back shell.
Pixel. Okay.
We got silver shell piece. Alright. Oh, the shell broke in shipping. That's what happened. The other bits and bobs. Let's see from this portion. Here we have a button. Wow, he did an amazing job packing this. Okay. Alright, so we got a bronze chest plate in this one. Wait, what? I didn't know that he actually included the back portion to it. Oh, wow, thank you. Because I only remembered we spoke that there was only the front, but I didn't remember we had the back, so this one is actually complete. For a lot of y'all who haven't figured it out yet, finally have a bronze V2. Here's the button up. Go here. And the V2 itself. Oh, please don't be more broken than they already are. Just clear that out. There we go. And here we have the bronze V2 in all his glory with a broken leg, and he has bears in him. That's bad. Nothing's. Oh, it has cut wire. Oh, okay, so some of these wires are cut. V turn on. Of course not. The bears are dead. Ripped neck, but definitely fixable. Okay, good.
Yep.
So much damage to the inner cap, but the outer cap. Well, inner cap's destroyed. Outer cap is fine. So there we have it. That was both his legs are broken. Cool. Oh, let's see. Is there anything else in here? Tape on this. There's a lot of broken plastic. Alright, well, that concludes it. Thank you, Taylor, for doing this trade with me. Appreciate it a lot. And stay tuned for everyone else for restoration videos of these guys very, very soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.